have postponed it to 6. Some of Vijay Sardesai is out of station and stuff last minute. So we were just discussing about certain issues that need to be taken. Elton Bab, there's an accident that took place in Kepe. So definitely before the BAC or during the BAC we will discuss on the further course of action.
What are the issues that we would like to highlight in the upcoming issues?
Well, definitely the environmental damage, unemployment, inflation. These are issues, rising crimes, murders, corruption. These are issues that have to be raised, and the way this government is working, dadagiri, hukumshai, complete paralysis of policy making. आणि जे पण हांगा आश्वासन दिल्ली ती आश्वासन अजून तशी आहे. So there is the governor's address. During the BAC, what is the agenda of the session would be discussed, and based on that we will take a consensus, we'll take a collective call on what needs to be done.